Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add Google Calendar to Notion. So let's start first by opening your Notion or log in with your existing Notion account. And the next step is to add page, where the Google Calendar will be visible. So select Add Page, select Empty Page, and you can also change the title. Let's say Calendar. And also, to add a Google Calendar in Notion, we need to use other websites such as this website called Indify.co, wherein we need to create an account and log in to this Indify.co. You can log in by your email address or Google account. Once you complete registration, you can now log in to Indify.co. And the next step is to click the Add New Widget. And from that, you can scroll down and explore other widget. And since we need to add Google Calendar to Notion, kindly click the Google Calendar, where you can also change the title of it. I would say My New Calendar. And kindly click Continue and just wait for the new widget to generate. After that, all we need to do is to click or copy the link below and paste it to our Notion account. And select Create Embed. And after that, you have now your own Google Calendar in Notion. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to add Google Calendar to Notion, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.